Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the page configuration module of the designer. The page designer can be accessed from the current application summary panel by pressing the page designer button. A web application will have a home page by default. Pressing the edit button next to it, you can edit the page settings. You can change the page name from the name field. This information will be displayed during runtime if a navigation bar orientation is selected. In addition to its name, a page can also be associated with a small icon by clicking the Select Page Icon button and picking an icon from this window. The selected icon will be displayed to the left of the page name in the navigation bar. Icons can also be used as the only means to show pages in mobile browsers if you select Bottom for the mobile navigation bar orientation and enable this option. To remove an icon, click Remove Page Icon. The mobile navigation bar orientation property essentially allows configuring the navigation bar differently on mobile view. Selecting None will hide the navigation bar, whereas Top will show the menu button on the top of the page. Selecting Bottom will place the navigation bar on the bottom of the page and also give you the option to use icons only and hide the page names altogether. You can select from Standard and Link options from the Page Type property. A standard page is a page that allows you to build a user interface using that module in the designer interface. A link page allows entering a web URL, which will redirect the users when that page is clicked from the navigation bar during runtime. If you selected link, you will have the option to assign a static URL or get this value from the value of a cell. A splash screen can be added to standard pages of a web application as a way to show the end user that the application is processing. You can choose None to remove this splash screen, Partial for a partial splash screen on the side of the screen, or Full Screen to have it cover the entire browser window. The navigation bar that is used to transition between application tabs will be on top of the page by default. You can remove the navigation bar altogether by selecting None and only allow transition with the use of action button navigation. Allow exit on validation errors determines whether the users can navigate away from the page even if validation criteria are not met. An entire page can be disabled or made hidden by the value of a cell. To do this, you need to enable these options from the visibility toggle or enable toggle. Then point it to a Boolean name range from the spreadsheet. If the cell output is true, the page will be enabled or made visible. If it's false, it will be disabled or made hidden. If you have multiple pages in your web application, you can also redirect users to a different page if the active page is disabled. Press the Update Page button to save your changes. Additional pages can be added by pressing the Add New button on the Page Designer screen.